Wandering around the show, there's so much to see, so much to have a look at, and loads of technology and robots, including what's behind me now from Epson. And to tell us all about it, got Volker from Epson. Volker, what have you got to show us?
Epson is coming from, is a sister company of Seiko Industries, and Seiko's building watches. So 30 years ago, we started to build our own robots to assemble watches. Watches means small parts, so very tiny movements, and that's where we come from. Over the years, we developed more and more robots, bigger sizes, also today mainly for automotive industry in Europe. But the jobs are still the same. It's pick and place, so pick parts, place it somewhere. This can be assembly of smartphones, automotive components, or watches.
Well, let's have a quick look down here then, because I know you've got two different machines to show us. To start with here, this is the kind of the younger brother, is it? The smaller version of the one that's behind me now?
Yes. In fact, you're right, it's the younger brother. These machines were designed especially for the Asian market. When the Asian market starts to grow, the biggest demand there is low cost. So these robots are more affordable, lower price, but still high quality. The speed is a little bit lower, but for a lot of jobs, this is enough. The nice thing you can see here, for example, the software that we use is the same in all our robots. Very easy to use, and like you can see here, a simulator is built in, so you can test your software on your desk before you implement it in your factory.
Oh, I see. So here you can do like a virtual run-through of what it's going to be doing actually in the factory itself.
Yes, you test the cycle time. Is the speed okay? Is the time okay? Are there obstacles? There's nothing in here, but you can also import your own application, and that helps a lot.
So something like this, it's to do with speed. That's the cutting edge bit of technology, is that you can do the job so precise and with so much speed as well.
Yes, the speed is most important, because every part you produce per minute more brings you more benefits, more turnover in your company. So that's the main demand. But it must be precise and easy to set up.
So then on this side, we now have a slightly different machine. This one here, the more expensive version, the bigger brother of the one we've just had a look at. And this one seems to be moving in slightly different directions and pretty quickly as well.
Yeah, this is a special version we designed here in Europe for the European market mainly, which has no handicap over that area inside. There's a special technical feature, but this robot and the other one is the 6-axis brother of this robot. They are very flexible, very compact, and so used in very tiny cells to do the same job, but faster and on smaller footprint.
So something, if I come around to this lovely 6-axis machine here, this one here, what is the application of this? What's this going to be used for?
Like you see here, this is a dummy shelf, so you can take parts from a shelf and put into the machinery. So if you imagine here, you have just golf balls, but these can be different parts, and depending on the process, the robot is taking the right part from a magazine and put it in the process. But as said, everything very compact.
So multi-components machinery you're putting together, or multi-components you can put in one place from one store area.
Yes, or put more other applications in the same space, several assembly steps or quality checking steps, whatever you need.
I see. So you can check that out here, but of course, the first time you yourself have been to this event, how important is it for Epson and for you to come to these sorts of shows?
Yeah, we see a growing demand in the UK market again. The need for automation also is growing here, like it is in the rest of Europe. So this is a good possibility for us to start and to look on the UK market again. We are present here since years with a representative, but this show offers a good chance. The combination printer, robot in one place, excellent.
So everyone can come and see everything.
Yes, exactly.
Volker, thank you very much. There you go, Epson here at the PPMA.